guys, I'm here with another BoxyCharm video. This one is my BoxyLuxe. So this is December's BoxyLuxe. So these are all the items that comes in the box. Of course, I'm going to show it one by one and create a look with it. I'm going to try them all on and create a look. So yeah, these are all the items that come in the box. The BoxyLuxe, it comes with 8 full-size items. This is the list of the items. These are the BoxyCharm items and the retail price of them. The BoxyLuxe is a quarterly box that you will receive every 3 months. So I got it this month, December, so I'll receive it again in March for only $59.99. And if you think about it, that's only like a fraction of the price that you'll get if you go to the store and purchase all these products. So it's like skincare, makeup, lifestyle, you know, all those products or whatever. So if you're interested, click on the link I got in my description. So let's get into it. Let's get into the product. Okay, Boxy with the perfume. So this is the Wakeheart Prism. So the Wakeheart Prism, it retails for $54. Cute little glass bottle. Oh my gosh, I love this smell. This smells so good. Kind of reminds me of Marc Jacobs Daisy that I used to always wear. Oh, I love it. Yes, I'm gonna be wearing this. Okay, so the next product in the box is Dew of the Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge. So this retails for $40. Saturday is for rehydrating, and Sunday is for repairing. So of course we're going to do this Saturday one because it's Saturday. So I'm going to let this sit on for 10 minutes and I'll be back. When you take the mask off, it's like the serum that's left over on your face. So you can see it, you just rub it in. You don't rinse it off, you don't wash it off or anything. Okay, the next product that was in the box is by Herbivore Botanicals, and this is their Cloud Jelly. So this is a hyaluronic acid alternative serum that helps dry, dehydrated skin to bounce back. This retails for $48. Let's put it on. This is the bottle. It's a glass bottle. It comes with a dropper. It's pretty good. Don't have a smell to it. One Size by Patrick Starrr. So this is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnetic Primer, retailing for $30. This is the bottle it comes in. Cute little bottle. So after applying this, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and stuff, and I'll be back with the next item. Okay, I'm back with the next product. I wanted to go ahead and put on my foundation and my setting powder and stuff because the next product is a setting spray. So this is Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray, retailing for $30. So this is a new launch to BoxyCharm. This is a pretty bottle. Next product in the box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I already have one of these, so I can tell you honestly, I love this brow freeze. I use it on myself and all of my clients, so I love it, and I'm happy I got another one in my box. Let's see what it comes in. Oh, can you see it? So what I'm gonna do is do my brows, and then we're gonna do brow closets. Okay, I filled in my brows, so now we're going to put on the product. So this is the brow freeze. It's a clear brow gel that freezes them in place. So I'm going to apply it with, I'm going to apply one of my disposable spoolies. I have a lot of these. I use them on my lash extension clients. I just give them to them after. So I'm gonna use it on this. I'm just gonna dip it in there. And this is how I usually apply it on my clients as well. Just a clean disposable spoolie. Or you can use a brush and brush them on. But it's easier this way. I'm gonna apply to the other brow and I'll be back. I forgot to add that this retails for $23. This product I'm excited about. So this is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Liquid Lip Color. I'm excited about this one. I love Fenty Beauty. I'm a fan. So this is the color Uncuffed, number 3. Come on. There we go. Pretty bottle it comes in. This is the color. This is a nice neutral color, especially for my skin tone. I love it. And this is how the applicator is shaped. Try it on. Pretty color, pretty neutral color. I didn't put on a lip liner. I didn't feel like it. Last item in the box. So this is the Mally Beauty Best Dress Lids Neutrals and Bows 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows. I'm gonna apply these on my eyes. So of course I'm not gonna use all of these on my lids. So what I can do is swatch it so you guys can see the pigment, the color, how it looks and all that. So all of the colors are very pigmented and smooth. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, these colors are so pretty. So let's do an eye look. I'm gonna try Book Club for my crease color. Nice pigment, nice neutral color for my skin tone. Nice crease color. I'm thinking about placing this green all over my lid just for like a smoky effect, which would be Shimmer. But this is called Romantic Picnic. This is a pretty green. Very pigmented. I like it, I like it. Just going with something simple. Okay, this is the finished look. I love it. I'm loving this look. It's subtle, but it's smoky at the same time and shimmery. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to BoxyCharm, make sure you click on that link in my description. Be blessed, guys. Bye.